Hey Forex fanatics, welcome to the channel where we crack the code in currency trading. I'm Yuri Safrono and today we are partnering up with FBS, a heavyweight broker ready to launch you into the world of Forex. Whether you're a total noob or a seasoned trader, this video will equip you with the essentials to trade Forex like a boss on the FBS platform. Buckle up because we're about to unveil why FBS is your ultimate Forex wingman. How to score your first trade on the FBS platform faster than you can say pips. So why choose FBS? Choosing the right broker is like picking your partner in crime. You have to make it a good one. Enter FBS, a legit, regulated brokerage with a toolbox full of features to suit every trader, rookie or seasoned. Plus, it's overseen by the International Financial Services Commission in Belize, keeping your funds safe. But remember, IFSC isn't the top dog in regulation. On top of that, you get to trade with competitive spreads. FBS offers floating spreads starting from 0.7 pips, which can put more money in your pocket than the brokers with wider spreads. But that's not all. FBS also offers leverage, which can magnify your potential returns and magnify your potential losses, so be cautious. With FBS, leverage goes up to a whopping 3,000 to 1, but remember, greater leverage means more significant risk. And if you are even feeling like you need more support, FBS has your back with tons of educational resources, webinars, and market analysis to sharpen your trading skills. Now, let's see how to get started with FBS. Feeling the Forex fever? Let's jump in. First things first, open an account with FBS. They currently offer a single account type which is perfect for beginners. It lets you start small, minimizing risk while you learn the ropes. Opening an account is a cinch. Fill out some basic info online. Easy, right? Now that you're officially an FBS member, it's time to fuel your trading journey. The minimum deposit is an excellent $5, and FBS accepts over 200 deposit methods. Bank transfers, credit cards, e-wallets like Skrill and Teller, and even local options depending on your country. Pick your poison and follow FBS instructions. Smooth sailing. Here is the exciting part. FBS offers MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. These user-friendly tools are available on your desktop, web browser, and even on your mobile phone. Spend some time getting familiar with their features. They'll be your command center for executing trades and analyzing the market. With your account funded and your platform ready to rock, it's showtime. Start trading, observe the market, learn from your experience, and refine your strategy. Remember, patience and discipline are your best friends in this game. That's a wrap on your crash course of Forex trading with FBS. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more Forex tips and tricks to up your trading game. And hey, for a limited time only, FBS is offering a special bonus for new traders. Check out the link in the description below to learn more and start your Forex adventure today. Let's do this!